No, I'm kidding. Let me sit down. Yeah. What's up? It's your girl, Kim Rosati, on the ones and twos. What it do? Rosati gang. No, I'm kidding. But hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming today with another tutorial. This one is going to be a full coverage foundation tutorial for oily, blemish-prone skin. I've been wanting to do this video for a while. I'm just kind of self-conscious about my skin, but I do know it's really helpful to other people who may suffer with similar issues. So this is going to be a talk through. I want to show you my little tricks and techniques and the products that I use, and everything is affordable. I'm not out here buying $50 foundation. Believe me, I want to, but I'm on a budget, girl. We baddie on a budget, you feel me? So I'm going to show you what I do to achieve this flawless, beautiful look, and I'm also going to wear pardon me, y'all, because I just finished and my glue was a little still wet, whatever, but I'm still cool to whatever. But yeah. But if you would like to know how I achieve this flawless look, stay tuned. All right, so y'all lucky I love y'all because, well, I love some people. I'm really self-conscious about my skin, and I would never really let y'all see all this. But as you can see, I have a whole lot of acne scarring. I don't have any active pimples, but I do have a lot of scarring. But when I beat my face, you don't even know. You don't even know. Okay, but even if you have oily skin, you still have to moisturize. You still have to make sure that skin is nice and hydrating. What I use is this. Ooh, hold on. This is my moisturizer of choice. This is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Balancing Moisturizer with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. This clarifies oily, blemish-prone skin. A natural astringent that helps exfoliate skin and gently purify essential oils to soothe and mattify skin. Believe it or not, my skin used to be worse than this, but I've actually used the skincare line. It comes with the moisturizer, the scrub, they have the regular foaming soap, mask, the whole 9 yards, and my skin has cleared up tremendously. So that way. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. Remember to get that neck. The next part I'm going to use this e.l.f. This is the Oil Control Primer Mist. Now, I actually hate how this sprays out. So I mixed it with my e.l.f. Matte Mist, with my e.l.f. Matte Magic Misting Set. We're gonna get it to go. I like a mist. This one comes out like it's trying to make somebody, and I don't have time. Okay, so now we're going to do some concealing of these ugly mascaras I got. So I'm actually going to use this. This is the e.l.f. Full Coverage Matte 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And this is in shade Deep Chestnut. And I'm going to use this to conceal my blemishes. And this color is fairly close to my skin tone, because I don't want it to show through the foundation. And I'm gonna take this pretty ass brush here. It's peeling, but it's wonderful. This is great for blending out stuff. why. I love the consistency of this concealer because it's not too thick, it's not too runny, and I like the finish of it. So we're just gonna let that dry while I do my brows. Now I'm not gonna go too much in depth with my brows because you've seen me do that a whole bunch of times. So we're just gonna glaze right through that little baby. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. This is in shade Warm Coconut, and this is the normal to oily. If you're oily, this is great for you, honey. It's like about $6 to get that shit. Please don't judge me because you shouldn't be using dirty sponges, but this is used and abused. Bitch. Let's see. Just gonna put some on here. And you can make this as light or as thick as you want it. I like nice full coverage. Much as you like, the whole point to give that coverage so you don't see those blimoshes. Now this is my concealer. This is another shade. This is also the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and this is in shade Deep Olive. I have some olive undertones. This is a couple shades lighter than myself. And so we're gonna highlight the usual areas. You know what it is. Don't let this sit a little bit. Blend it out. With that coverage. We're going to use the air sponge, and this one is in honey beige. I set my face, but I like to add a little color back in. I'm using my Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Custom Finish Okay, one more time. Shiseido Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Custom Finish Powder Foundation in shade 360 Citron. You would have seen me mention this if you watched my last video. Take the same brush, get a little wop, 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 wop. So I'm going with my James Charles palette. I don't feel like picking it up. I've showed you this before, but I mixed 3 different shades. So I have this raggedy contour palette that I use, but this is like a cool dark brown. I don't have a shade, but it's a cool dark brown. And then I use a very, very reddish warm brown from the James Charles palette, and also like a medium warm brown. And the 2 shades that I use in the palette are 10% off and no beans. I've mentioned it multiple times in other videos, but let's just go ahead and contour. Back with that Shiseido. Go back over with this spray. There's something left. Now to give my brows a natural look, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. dual-ended clear brow and lash mascara. it's no longer clear because, yeah. But you get the idea. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow that's basically the same color of my lids, so I can have a base. From the James Charles palette in shade Punch Me, because I like that shit. Time to highlight. I'm gonna go with this palette from BH Cosmetics. This is the Wild and Radiant palette. I'm gonna use whatever that is there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my first coat of liner. You guys have seen me do my liner multiple times, so let's speed right through that. And if you haven't, watch my tutorial. Okay, y'all, so while my lashes are drying, I'm going to put on some lipstick. Prep our lashes. I want to give myself an inner corner highlight because that's always cute. I'm going to throw on some blush. This is the Ofra Cosmetics. I don't know what blush this is because I got like a little sample of Ofra. And it looks like this. This is the final look. So as you can see, I did cover all my blemishes. One thing you might see is, hold up. Oh, string is minor pimples at the beginning. Other than that, blemishes, color, skin is matte. Everything look real smooth, feel me? It look good. Now my lashes are still a little wet. Other than that, my cheeks, let go. What do you think? Comment down below if you have any items that you would like to suggest for oily, blemish-prone skin, or any tricks and techniques that you would like to share that work for you that are great. I'm always open to new ideas, new suggestions, but this is my daily makeup routine wherever I'm going. My main concern is having full coverage skin that looks naturally highlighted and contoured. I like it all to be smooth and perfectly blended. Of course, got my wing. Lashes are optional, but and my lips gotta be juicy, juice.